All right, so this is lesson 8 of Python for data analysis. And I just want to start by kind of reviewing where we are and where we're going. So if we scroll down to the lesson schedule here, um, we've done the command line tutorial. We've covered how to use Conda, IPython, and Jupyter notebooks. We're going to revisit some IPython and Jupyter stuff today because there's a lot we haven't covered yet. But then we dug into the Python basics, so we covered strings, printing, reading and writing files, taking input, functions. We covered logic, loops, lists, dictionaries, and tuples, and a few other data types last time. And we've really covered the core features of Python by this point. But there's a lot more, of course. We've still got almost, we've got 6 weeks or whatever left. So there's a lot more material we're going to cover, digging into some of the more advanced packages that Python has. But today, I want to review some of what we've covered already. So if you did the Python crash course after that class a couple weeks ago, and then if you followed along the last couple of classes, that would be a second kind of treatment, and now we're going to kind of come back for a third time. So we're going to kind of reinforce some of what you learned so that it becomes more familiar, and we're going to do it in a different way. So we're going to use this IPython command line shell to do some of our work today. Yeah, question. Okay, the screen is not working.